This is one of the oldest traditional houses in Jaffna. So here, we're gonna have lunch. Hello. Thank you so much. Vanakkam.
Ross is the general manager and also I think shareholder for the
Yeah. 3 years old house. After the war, we have taken it and with renovations and started to operate as a boutique style hotel. We have 6 rooms.
Really beautiful photos by the Jaffna Photography Society. Really gorgeous.
Really beautiful.
Yeah. Nice. What is it called?
What is this?
This is a Nelly fruit cordial. Actually,
Okay.
this is the tree. You can see the tree here.
Oh wow.
Yes.
So it's original green color?
Some different purposes.
Yeah.
Nowadays, these are not in use because of the machines, the grinders and the mixing. But even our young, the children, they don't know. Places are there.
So actually, like it's really so heavy to use it. So like earlier they
Yes.
used it to make flour, and then to use it for some rotis.
Oh wow.
And now it's like decoration, and also they explain to their children and tourists how they use it. Use that. Like this. Oh, wow,
Then
nice.
when it comes after this thing, it will all come.
Oh nice.
And when you do that, it will all come. You can collect that.
So it's
Again, you have
like
to put the new.
oldest version of
This is for to make sambal.
sambal.
Oh wow.
Yeah, come in. It's okay.
It's okay.
You can, yeah.
Oh yeah, it's okay.
Yeah. Because you can get that feel here. This is the way.
Oh.
Let me grab-
Actually, not so much. Yeah, I was thinking that it's very heavy. Yeah, it's not easy. Yeah, interesting. So you also make so for sambal. So
Yeah,
to
not
make
only
this
sambal actually. The seeds all to get it powder.
to
And
make
all these,
powder.
like this cinnamon, put all to makes it the powder. Different items they store in the kitchen because the keep it in the ground. Sometimes the cat or anybody can play around.
Yeah. So
They can
use
touch.
it.
Because of that, this is the way. This is made with the palmera leaf.
Nice. So they keep it like this, and also some rats can also come
Yes.
inside.
But this is-
ants.
yeah.
This is the way how it's more safety.
Yes.
And like so, this thing it's for fire.
This is wood fire to put the wood and make it fire and then cook in the.
Yeah, it's interesting.
But
You
the
saw
thing
it
is,
on the market. They
Yeah.
were selling it in the
Yes.
market.
And what is this one?
and this is another stone where you can this way.
Oh, nice. Also flour.
Flour and also to make the rice to remove the cover. This rice
The
cover to remove
Wow.
the cover. You have to put here, then it will come this way, separate. Cover and the rice separate.
Well, really interesting.
Yeah.
This way.
This is a village life here in Jaffna.
And even for decorations, it looks like so interesting, so authentic and beautiful.
So here we are. This is to dig the ground up. I think it's a plow
They put it in
to put the seeds in.
cow. There is a hole there. There's a long stick. Either side, 2 cows
Yeah.
hold it. And this was
And you drag it in the
connected
back.
with that. Then that will
Okay.
go on.
All right, you and me, we're gonna drag this sled.
Okay, let's try.
So right away, I noticed these roofs are kind of angled down, and then the center it opens up like this. Why is that?
This is for the ventilation purpose, and also most of the people they get the food items dried here.
Oh, so they need some
Yes.
sun area.
Yes.
It's really interesting. Really beautiful art as well. Okay, let's check out one of the rooms.
Oh.
So this bathroom is really nice. Yeah.
Yes, I saw like that sometimes in Sri Lanka you can have
Open
such
air showers, yeah.
It's my favorite. When you take a shower, like plein air, you
This
can
is
see the
really
stars
nice.
at night. Yeah.
Today we are going to make first Jaffna traditional kool, seafood kool. That is with crab and fish and cuttlefish, the few prawns, and then a little bit of rice and some vegetables.
So many herbs and so many spices. I'm excited to try
And
it.
also we are going to make some vegetable curries as well.
Oh.
Because of that, those ingredients and vegetables also we have kept here. Yeah. These leaves that takes off.
Yeah.
It's the moringa leaf.
Yeah, moringa leaf.
So traditionally, you always use moringa leaf when you're cooking crab to get rid of any potential toxins in there. Wow, nice.
And more than that, this moringa leaf have a lot of nutrition. Nowadays even...
And does it smell like anything or any flavors?
yeah, you can, yes.
Cool soup. So it's a cool soup, but it's not cool. It's a hot soup. I'm gonna start with the cuttlefish. Yeah. Some fish.
So beautiful crabs. It's crabs.
Yeah. Are these Jaffna crabs?
Sea crab. Jaffna sea crab.
Jaffna sea crab.
Sea crab.
Okay, so not the lake.
Yeah, no.
It's look completely different in original like.
Okay. Maybe the size may be small, but this is a
Very tasty.
sea crab. Here it's very common in the market and locally.
Yeah, nice.
Oh,
It just naturally.
So in a few hours it'll be out.
Awesome. So we have fresh from the tree this morning, Palm Toddy.
Palm Toddy.
Palm Toddy.
Oh, very strange. Strange.
Thank you.
So what is toddy?
Okay.
Från vad syftar du?
I think better.
Yeah, I think the
What you said,
Yeah.
that is fine.
it's perfect.
All right. Okay. So what is toddy?
Cheers.
Cheers. So toddy is the sap from the palmara palm. Here we have people who are known as toddy tappers. They'll climb up the palm and they make a cut on the flower bud at the top of the toddy tree. And then they leave a pot there. Overnight, this sap drips into the pot. In the morning, it's a healthy drink. It's unalcoholic, it's delicious, slightly fizzy. 6 hours later, in the afternoon and the evening, it's naturally fermented. It's become a mildly alcoholic drink. This is then further processed and brewed to make arak,
Wow.
which is a highly potent, like whiskey, and can be delicious.
Nice. Well, let's cheers to that.
Cheers.
Cheers.
All right. So besides the kombucha I had there, Gambe, this is my first alcoholic drink in almost a year. Ooh, and now I remember why I stopped drinking alcohol. No, actually, it's an alcoholic. It's probably 1 or 2% or something.
Tiny.
Yeah.
By the afternoon, it'll be about 3%. But when it's processed into arak, it's about 30%.
So this is the predecessor to Iraq, but I had to try it because I have a rule. If I'm in a country where they're making this type of alcohol, if I'm in Scotland, I'll have whiskey. If I'm in Jaffna, I'm gonna have a toddy, and I think I'm gonna be drunk.
This is a fried brinjal to make a brinjal curry.
Nice, like an
Yeah,
eggplant.
yes, eggplant, exactly.
Nice. Oh, this looks so good already. I'm so excited. Can you smell that?
Yeah. And like just colors. It's already
beautiful already, yeah.
Yeah. And the smell. Very good.
The Jaffna curry powder?
Curry powder.
But it's special from Jaffna.
Special from Japan.
Wow.
Anna curry powder is the brand name for Anna.
Oh.
Big brother.
Yeah, because I even see the color is different.
Yes.
It's
very
only the
dark.
fried curry or unroasted curry?
Yes.
Roasted, no.
No, non-roasted. Unroasted.
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 Water.
Extra.
Wow, look at this. All the colors are coming.
Looks so nice, so delicious.
All right, so here we have a fish curry being prepared. So much happening, guys. So excited. It's a nice touch that even the plates are locally here made in Sri Lanka.
This is Jaffna traditional cool.
Yeah,
Seafood
beautiful.
Seafood cool.
So nice.
Thank you. All right, so this is my first time having traditional Jaffna Kool. Oh, so what's really interesting is to thicken, instead of using cornstarch or coconut milk, they use a palm powder to thicken it.
I can. I need some water.
Ooh.
Just because yes, I tried a little bit. Need some water.
Jaffna food is so spicy,
It's so fun.
including this. Oh my gosh.
It's super spicy. Yes. Like, we're so used to local food in the
Having
Sinhalese
water
food.
is not advisable. But, if you
Avoid-
can, just put some lime and
Maybe a little bit warm water.
yeah, it will
Or-
make it little bit.
Or maybe the toddy would help.
So what is the best in such situations?
But
Just to eat it?
just to wait.
We should have coconut pieces. Just small pieces we used to have. Then
Then it makes.
Yeah.
That might help.
yes.
Yeah, I think you have some coconut flakes there, right? Oh. So, very, very spicy, but very tasty. Very different than any curry I've had in the rest of Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
It almost has like a Switzerland taste to it.
Now I tell you, spicy is better.
Yeah.
It's so funny. So when they suggested us to cook it medium spicy, we told no. We used to spicy. We all the time eat spicy food. Thank you so much. So they brought us some coconut flakes.
To cool down her palate.
To cool down.
So Christina can eat it. I'm not going to be able to finish this whole soup,
Me neither.
but
Too much.
I think I can handle it. It's very peppery too. So it's not just the spice and the heat. It's
So
also
much,
very peppery.
yeah, and so much taste in different flavors.
Yeah. It's good though. Very nice.
Because I grew up eating spicy food.
So Champ is sweating. This Colombo boy can't handle the Jaffna curry. And Jagan, how are you doing there? The spice?
I'm hanging in.
Yeah. Maybe we could make a Jaffna Tiki Marcella version for you.
Put it into tea bag.
Spicy? Yeah. Is it spicy?
Spicy, very spicy.
Very spicy. Spicy? Yeah? Even for you, it's spicy?
No, it's okay.
It's normal. You're not sweating. Ooh, guys. I'm almost done with the crab. But there's no way I'm going to be able to drink this soup. It's so spicy. Even for me. I never complain about the spice. It's good though.
Okay, the challenge now, we're gonna finish the soup.
No.
I'm sure he's gonna win it. Now I'm gonna win.
Oh.
Sure. And then
I tap out, guys. I'm done with the meat. I'm gonna have to leave the soup. Good job.
Yeah.
So we're using this grated coconut to kind of cool ourselves down between bites. Because all of us are
We used
dying
to keep these pieces
Yes, of
while
coconut.
having at home. We used to keep small pieces, coconut pieces.
Oh, to cool down.
Then
Yeah, it's good.
Are you okay? Should we call the ambulance?
officially Kool is Sri Lanka's most spicy dish.
Yeah.
You have to declare it.
It's clear.
Yeah, it is.
Confirm. Yeah.
Yeah. So I've had a lot of spicy food in Sri Lanka in these 7 months. This is definitely the spiciest dish. So if you're a spice lover or if you want to torture yourself and do some kind of spice challenge, come here to this restaurant in Jaffna and experience it and see if you can handle it like this, boss. But most likely, you're crying on this one. All right, so we're gonna be having this delicious Jaffna food. Hopefully it's not as spicy as the Kool, but we have rice with it, so it should be fine. I'm really excited to taste it. Let's check it out. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit, everyone.
Well, it looks good. All right, so after an amazing lunch, we're gonna head back to the hotel. This almost pretty much wraps up our time in Jaffna, and I think this meal really encompasses a big reason to come. First, the colonial style buildings and the old school culture that you don't experience anywhere else in Sri Lanka, and the food, the cuisine, the markets where the food comes from, the local fish and crabs, and the people. So thank you guys so much for having me, and definitely come check out Jaffna because it really is a unique part of Sri Lanka that you cannot miss. Oh, guys, I'm the chef. Thank you for such good food.
Yeah, in the food, the tasty food.
Awesome. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the Jaffna series because there's so much to do here in Jaffna. Big thank you to Sri Lanka Tourism for taking Christine and I around Jaffna and showing us all these cool places, because honestly, if it wasn't for them, we might not even have made it all the way up to Jaffna because there was so little information on YouTube about places to go and things to do. But once we got here, we realized, wow, this is so cool that instead of just doing one video, we decided to make 3 videos because there is so much to do. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, hit subscribe and hit the bell if you want to get notified next time a video pops up. Check out the other videos, because if you like traveling to Sri Lanka, you want to come to Sri Lanka, you want to see more, check out either the food and cultures video where we go to restaurants, we go to temples and all that cool stuff, or check out the other video playlist about all the adventures, all the cool things that we do around that are kind of more fun, touristy, surfing, or just kind of adventure wise like we are having here. Also check out some of the previous videos. These are ones that you might like, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye guys, thanks for watching.